greenhouses in our back garden. 4 tui, and we also have this chicken feeder out as well to take the overflow, and it stops the fighting. So what you're looking at here is the PekaPeka feeder, which you can get from Orokonui in Dunedin. I prefer the PekaPeka because it keeps our bees safe, and bees don't drown in it, but we have to be very careful with the chicken feeder because bees can drown in that, and that's the last thing we want. There's a ball bearing in the metal spout, and the tui push the ball bearing and the juice comes out.